This story begins right here, the city where I lived the most of my life in. This is Turin. I think all of us at least once noticed the smoke cover above our homes. And yeah, we have plenty of solutions on the governmental level, on the personal level, like reducing your car usage, or different filtering system for indoor and outdoor. They just catch the particles from the atmosphere to flush them away or to store them in a filter. And I still see smogs in the air. I'm still reading news about overwhelming new causes of pollution and the consequences of such an exposure. Pollution destroys your organ, affects your mental health, and penetrates the drinking water. So these solutions are just not enough. We must act now, together. We want to turn the greenhouse and hazardous chemicals back to their benign and inert form. Now imagine you could even have an impact while walking through the park, going to the store, to the university, or anywhere else. Pollutants are pretty much anywhere you might go. Let me introduce you to TiOz. TiOz is a shopper able to neutralize any pollutants that would negatively affect your health and the one of those around you. But how can a normal shopper neutralize pollutants? Well, the fabric of which TiOz is made is more than just ordinary organic cotton. It contains titanium dioxide. Each sheet of our made in Italy cotton fabric follows an industrial imbibition process, being basically immersed in a solution containing titanium dioxide. Of course, all of the concentrations are kept under safety levels for human usage. When our catalyst is stably bonded to the cotton fibers, the sheets are ready to be suited. From now on, microcrystals embedded in the fabric react with CO2 and several other chemicals every time they're exposed to sunlight, and this turns them into neutral salts in a process that's called photocatalysis. It means that being outside with your shopper is already enough to make the technology work. This everyday item can become your first small but significant step towards the fight for a global problem. From the initial statistics, the continuous usage of this shopper for half a year has the potential to neutralize about 1 cubic meter of pollutants and greenhouse gases. This means that anybody concerned in their city environment can be our potential customer. Statistics shows that the sustainability market is growing by around 30% annually. Right now, about 12 million of Italian citizens are potentially interested in purifying products, and more than 9.5 million declare the willingness to act in 2021. To compare, there are more people concerned about air pollution than occupation, and this is stated by Sole 24 Ore. As soon as we'll be ready for production, we'll start selling our own product directly to the interested customer via our online store and the most popular marketplaces. Two lines of shopper will be accessible, basic and custom. The entry level will cost 14 euros and will include a limited set of features such as pocket for your smartphone, a bottle holder and a predefined print. The custom design will be available at 25 euros and offer customized features, different prints and colors, transforming your TiOz in an everyday must-have. In the future step, we aim to boost our business by establishing partnership with big firms and enterprises, creating branded merchandising for them by March 2022. This will allow us to have new types of product with a higher price range to spread TiOz even more, with the intention to reach the widest public possible in order to foster the environmental impact at its top. The following possible steps would be to address the companies and organizations studying custom products for their merchandising, like office cases, books cover, or even curtains. The possibilities are close to endless. Our entrance into the market requires around 6 months of research and development in order to create a product that suits urban lifestyle needs at the best. Targeted marketing campaigns will allow us to create a community of early birds users that will help to improve the shopper, and will be of great importance in the development of new urban style products like backpacks for the enlarging cleanswear community. This idea was brought to you by the join of two minds, Anna Burinas, my colleague from Nanotech Studies, and mine, a mechanical engineering student. We combine our expertise and skills in engineering and science to create a working and reliable product that we believe can solve a concrete problem. Now it's your turn to to help us get TiOz across the streets of your city. We'd also like to thank everybody who made TiOz possible. In the first place, the laboratories in Turin and Grenoble that helped us testing our assumption, and the School of Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Thank you for your attention, and let's breathe wider.